Hey everybody, it is day
5
and we are going to Stone Cottage. So we woke up to fantastic weather. Some of us made poor decisions in choosing to wear rain pants today, and that was really not a good idea because it is mega hot. But we're walking up to meet Dave. Dave is going to drive us down and then we will walk the rest of the way to Stone Cottage.
Hi there! I just want to let everybody know that I'm soon about to become the favourite person on the hike.
Why?
Ask me why?
Why?
I found my credit card and I'm going to treat everybody to a milkshake at Lily Rose.
Ooh! Now this is what you call luxury hiking. But we will catch you guys a bit later. Do you have any regrets about carrying your backpack?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you certain?
Well, backpack is fine.
That's good. At least the weight of food is taken out.
Yeah.
Dad, what about you?
No regrets.
No regrets. How was the hike up?
Oh, it was pretty intense. It was pretty hot. But if it wasn't for the heat, it wouldn't have been as bad.
And we did see our giraffe, but we saw them when we were driving out. Mom, how did you find it?
We did. You can see I'm drenched in sweat. So I think that speaks for itself. But we're all good. We're looking forward to Lily Rose.
How was it?
Well, this morning, there was no peeping Tom, but there certainly was a red-backed Roman tick that decided that it was looking for a place to nest, and it was certainly not going to be in my net. So besides that, it's all been going well, and the walk coming up now, where Davis fetched us, was quite a nice walk because we were able to see and identify certain things. So yes, now off to the beach.
Hilarious. How are you finding it?
I'm sitting relaxing at this point in time.
Say something profound.
No.
Rescue mission alert.
Can we go put him in the underground? It's a millipede.
Okay, dune interview, mid-dune interview. How's it going?
Tough. Hot. Steep. Resistant.
We came up from down there, so it is a bit of a ways climbing, and today is super duper hot, so it's definitely made up for all of the cold weather we've had so far. So let's resume the hike and get to the hut. Everybody, we have successfully reached the farmlands after a fun experience on the dunes. It is super hot right now, so I think we are all looking forward to getting into Stone Cottage, having something to drink. So definitely one of the perks of slack packing.
I concur. That is nothing but the truth.
Exactly.
Belle has just told you that.
Exactly. The truth and only the truth.
Right.
So we have a cool view here. We have two hikers ahead, I don't know if you can see them, and two pink hikers at the back. I don't know if you can see them either, but they are there. Serge can confirm that.
Confirmed.
So we're all good. Serge just found a scorpion. Okay, let us show the people.
Look at that Ethel. This is the biggest Ethel I've seen.
It is. Phil, hold it up next to you. It's like a fish. Let's have a picture. Made it.
Yeah. No, I think this is a me.
Good morning everybody, it is day 6, the grand finale of the Shipwreck hike. Let's do an interview. How's the hike so far? How is day 6?
Day 6 is we doing
I think she just started.
Yeah, we haven't really gone anywhere. We've just left Stone Cottage and we're probably going to be going past the Lighthouse in a little while, so super excited to see that. Sage, how's day 6 going for you so far?
Well, the first 2 steps of it have been pretty okay.
Pretty okay.
You'll have to ask me in about 2 hours time.
Okay, we'll come back in about 2 hours. And how are you finding the shipwreck so far?
Very breezy this morning, very fresh, had an awesome devotional, and we're now on our way. Shipwreck has been amazing. I've enjoyed it just as much this time as we did last time. There's an interesting turn of developments this morning, and that is mutiny in our ranks.
Oh dear. There's been a divide in our group. So as you can see, we're passing Stone Cottage over there. So we were going to go back the way we came yesterday. However, we heard something about an alternate route that goes past the Lighthouse. So we've had mixed feelings and sentiments about it in our group, but the group compromised and we are now walking along the other path.
The shortcut
route. Apparently it's a shortcut.
Apparently it's a shortcut. One half wants to go the long route, one half wants to go the short route, and so depending on whether we get lost or not, we might be going a long route anyway.
In any case,
You just drive on, Belle.
yes, I'm happy to walk. So if we go past the Lighthouse, I think it's going to be really cool. So
check it out. Ruth, look at this. Have you ever seen such a big earthworm?
No, we go through here. Where? So, you might wonder where I am. And no, I'm not in Saudi Arabia. I am actually on the Eastern Cape coastline, just outside of Port Alfred. Although you might not believe it, I'm sure you can hear the sound of the crashing waves in the background, and that should give you a hint as to the fact that I'm not in the vast expanses of the desert. Thank you. Show them the ocean, Belle.
behold the ocean and the lighthouse. Evidence that there is in fact a ski. And what are you munching on?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bakers. Please sponsor this video.
Hashtag
We're doing
your best
advertising for you.
your best clients. Hey everybody, what are we doing now, Auntie Ruth?
We are heading towards the caravan park, and we've got the last couple of kilometers to go, and there's a little bit of a drizzle which we're enjoying. It's really cooling and refreshing, and I think we've just had one of the most awesome hikes ever. Just love it. I must say that anybody that wants to do a hike that's not too strenuous, I'll definitely recommend this one. Your level of fitness doesn't have to be at optimum levels. You can just be mildly fit, and you can happily go along and do this hike. I give it an A++++.
So we actually decided to take a little bit of a detour simply because there's been so much rain and it has also been super muddy. So we're walking through one of the fishing villages up to the road, and we're going to walk along the road for a little while across the bridge, and our end is in sight. So the end is near, although mixed feelings about finishing now because it has really been such an awesome experience, and Dave has really gone out of his way to ensure that we have had a wonderful experience. So thank you to Dave and thank you to Courtney for doing the slack packing and ensuring our bags get to our next destination. So
intact.
yes, so thank you for an awesome experience, and join us as we walk the last little bit of our hike. Mitch, you told me to ask you 2 hours later how you're finding day 6.
It was very neat. We had to stop at the Lighthouse, which was quite nice, I'd say. And we then went from walking along gravel roads for about 4 kilometers, I'd say, to walking on sandy beaches for another, I think, 6 kilometers. The end of it is pretty good. It's just getting rained down, but I can't wait for my onion ring and chips and sandwiches at Fisher Vagina.